I'm back today with another video. So I am so excited to be filming today. Oreo wants to say hi, guys. Say hello, baby. Hello. Anyway, guys, I'm back today with another video. For those of you who are new to my channel, welcome. My name is She. I'm a serial entrepreneur. Basically, I'm an interior decorator. I custom paint furniture. I buy and sell like thrifted home decor, etc., etc. The list goes on. But anyway, my favorite part of my job is going to the thrift store and finding very unique home decor items and then taking pictures of them and reselling them, and then also putting them in my booth at the Barrett Street Antique Mall. If you're ever in Virginia Beach, please stop by and shop. I have some amazing items. The shop is literally just blooming for spring right now. So many pretty things there. I've been thrifting my little hiney off this week. I found so many amazing items. What I'm going to be doing is showing them to you guys today. Hopefully you can be inspired if you're thinking of becoming a thrift reseller. You can kind of look at my style, and because I've been doing this for almost a year now, I'm able to just go straight into the store, find items that I know are going to sell really quickly. So it's become like second nature to me. So anyway, we're just going to get right into this thrift haul. Anyway, guys, the first thing I found was this amazing copper and brass bowl. This thing is gorgeous. I need to do a little bit of research about it before I price it. I cannot believe that it was literally only $6.25. I'm obsessed with lion head door knockers. So you can hold it by that if you want, but I just think it's a really cute decorative element. I wish I had somewhere in my home for this to go, because I would so keep it. Hold on, let me do a thumbnail. Anyway, so my online assistant, she has recently gotten into thrifting, and oh my gosh, she found the most amazing like snake bowl. If I can get her to send me a picture of it before this video goes up, then I will make sure I show it to you guys. But she said hers was metal, so when I saw this, I was like, oh my god. It's still not the snake bowl, but I just thought it was absolutely fabulous. I think this will look so good on a coffee table, a hall table. You can fill it with balls, you can fill it with fruit, you can put so many amazing things inside of this bowl. So it was like a no-brainer, like had to have it. And I just looked on the bottom, and it's actually from Burlington Coat Factory, because I see that sticker on the bottom there. So yeah, this is amazing. So guys, I'm trying to make my booth at the Antique Mall more French country. I want more things that are kind of like ornate and rustic, chic. So when I saw this cute little, I'm gonna call it a doodad, because I don't know what it is, but I think it would look great on a bookshelf or like a hall table or something. I think it would even look cute in your bathroom, on a dresser. There's so many places that you could put it. Just has that really pretty like distressed quality to the paint. It looks like it came from Michael's, but it was $5.25 at my local Goodwill, and I think I'm just gonna price it at probably like $19.95. I think that's a good price for this, a good price where it'll go fast. But in the meantime, this is gonna look so cute in my booth. I cannot wait to get it there. Whenever I find pairs of things, guys, I buy them. I don't care what it is, and usually the price is pretty good for a pair. These are actually from Sears, the tag says. These are actually like pottery, but they've been created to look like galvanized metal that's rusted. And they have these little succulents inside. So I got them for $2.25 each. These are going to be absolutely fabulous. I'm so excited about them. Next, guys, I got this purse. This purse is similar to one that I already sold before on Facebook Marketplace. It is a Montana West bag. When I seen it in there today, I was like doing a happy dance, like I did. You know why? Because I already sold one like this for $45. This is a genuine leather bag. It's made very well. It has some beautiful details on it. I love the way leather smells, so that's why I just sniffed the bag. The nice part about this bag is it's a concealed carry bag. So right back here is where you put your gun. You strapped and loaded. You know what I mean? So a lady in North Carolina bought it. I'm going to go back through my messages and see if she's interested in purchasing this one as well. Apparently Montana West is a good brand, Western style, beautiful studded work for ladies who carry, okay? So we're going to reach back out to that customer and see if she wants it. And the bottom has feet. So I'm just going to list this one for $45 again. And I believe I paid like $6 or $7 for it. Sorry, I do not remember. Next, guys, I have these cute boxes. So in my booth, I started to notice that everything had a painted finish. And I think with everything having a painted finish, it starts to look a little blah. Like, it doesn't look stylized. You need different elements. So you need things that are shaggy. You need things that are natural wood. You need painted finishes. Like, you need metal. All of those different elements really just help to make a home or a booth more stylized. So when I saw these little boxes, I thought they were cute. They're like faux vintage soap and spice boxes. I got them for $5.25 each. I think as a set, I'll probably just sell them for $39. I think that's a really good price. And I have a feeling they're going to sell online. And I'll end up going to the booth to pick them up. But in the meantime, it'll be fine. I'm going to sit them on top of this super cute nightstand. And then probably place like succulents and other little decor on top. So I'm going to use them just to kind of display things for now. But somebody could use these in their home. Like especially if you have like a vintage style. You could even put them in your kitchen if you wanted, and this one in the laundry room. But I'm just going to be using them as a cute little vignette. So something like this, and then have little flower thingies on top. But anyway, they're wooden storage boxes. And they're from Home Goods, actually. So this one originally was $12.99. And this one was $9.99. If you'd like to purchase anything that you see in today's video, just comment down below and I'll set you guys up with the link. I'm in the process of starting to add my home decor finds to cozyinteriorsbyshe.com, but just bear with me, guys. Next, guys, I got these cute little cake pedestals. Cake pedestals always do really, really well for me. There is a girl whose daughter bakes, so I maybe even reach out to her and see if she's interested in buying it, because her daughter, she bought some for her daughter for Christmas. But this would be cute for Valentine's Day. It's cute and it's pink. If you bake cakes, you could put little cupcakes and cakes and things on it to take pictures. I always think they look cute in a bathroom to kind of organize your toiletries or your vanity. You could put perfume. So there's so many different ways to utilize them. And then I also got this one, which is, oh wait, this one was $3.25 and this one was $2.25. This would even be great with candles. I love to just have my candles kind of sit on something pretty. So you can put your candle on top if you want it. And then I like sage in my home because I believe sage helps clear energy. I like to put my sage on trays like this. That way I don't have to worry about it catching on fire if it keeps burning or something like that. So anyway, this was $2.25. It's very heavy and it has the velvet on the bottom. That way you don't have to worry about it scratching its furniture. So that is always a plus. Next, guys, I got this tobacco basket. Somebody already kind of added flowers in it, which is perfect because that's exactly what I would have done, because my booth has like a floral theme. But I told you guys I'm trying to bring in more woody elements just so that my booth looks more stylized. So it's missing a flower here, but what I'm going to be doing is probably just adding like a burlap ribbon, like turning it this way and just taking a burlap ribbon and putting it inside. Now it's a door wreath. Now it's wall decor. It's so many different things. If they don't like that, they can pull the flowers out themselves and just use the basket. So this I actually paid, I think $3.25 for it. Yeah, $3.25. And I'm just gonna price it for probably about $29. I think that's a fair price. Not to mention it's gonna look really good in my booth. I really love this globe because look at this, that embossed pattern on it. It just looks so antique even though it's not. This, I don't know where it's from. It didn't have a sticker, but got it from Goodwill. And I paid $8.25 for it. One thing I love to do is look for my name on the map. My name, for those of you who don't know, is Xi'an, and it's Chinese. And there I am. So it's so cool just being able to find my name on the map. So yeah, anyway guys, so I paid $8.25 for this, and I think $28 prices it to move. It'll probably sell online before it sells in the booth. Like, people online just snatch things up. So I like to just cross list them. That way I have them in the booth, I have them online. I hope that you guys really enjoyed today's video. If so, comment down below which one was your favorite item. What do you guys think? Do you think I'm moving in the right direction with my home decor items that I am putting in my booth? I think so. Anyway, I will see you guys in the next one. Bye.